Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about the topic that many of us can relate to. We're going to be talking about dry hair and grey hair at the same time. So dry hair can be frustrating and can damage self-confidence, but let's talk about what we can do. Let's talk about one of the most important nutrients that can help prevent dry hair. And today we're going to explore the role of vitamin A and how that can make a difference in the health of your hair. So to begin, right, what exactly is vitamin A? Vitamin A is a fat-soluble nutrient that is essential for our overall health. It's known for its role in generally promoting good vision, a healthy immune system, and proper cell growth, but it also has a significant impact on the health of our skin and hair. So, how exactly does vitamin A prevent dry hair? Well, it does so in several ways. So, firstly, vitamin A supports the production of sebum, which is a natural oil that your body secretes to keep your hair and skin moisturized. When you have an adequate amount of vitamin A in your diet, it helps your scalp produce sebum, so it prevents your hair from drying out. And it's actually really important to note that dry hair and grey hair are very closely correlated. So if you notice that sometimes your dry hair will be a lot more coarse, and it's because it lacks sebum. So this is another way how vitamin A, by increasing the production of sebum, can help prevent grey hair as well as dry hair. And another way vitamin A helps is through its antioxidant properties. So it helps protect your hair follicles and cells from damage caused by free radicals. So this basically ensures your hair stays healthy and strong. So it's a good way to think about it is that imagine your scalp has as the control center for your hair, right? And vitamin A serves as the chief engineer. It encourages production of sebum. So your hair's natural oil. This oil acts like a protective shield, keeping your hair strand well moisturized and free from dryness, and can also prevent in grey hair as well. Now, let's talk a little bit more about grey hair. Melanin is the pigment that is responsible for the color of your hair. And hair color is determined by the type and amount of melanin present. So melanin gives pigment its hair color. Now, it's important to note there's an enzyme called tyrosinase, and this enzyme is pivotal in the production of melanin, and it regulates the conversion of tyrosine, an amino acid, into melanin. And graying of the hair begins when there is a decline in the melanin production in our hair follicles, often due to various factors. So as melanin production decreases, hair loses its color and turns grey. Now, vitamin A steps in as a key player because vitamin A helps maintain the activity of tyrosinase. Remember that enzyme that ensures that tyrosine, the amino acid, is converted into melanin, and this ensures that melanin production remains steady. So by doing so, it can delay and prevent grey hair. And additionally, on top of that, vitamin A has those antioxidants, which we discussed earlier, to help prevent the hair follicles from oxidative stress, which can contribute to premature graying of hair. So these are some of the ways that vitamin A plays a role in preventing grey hair and dry hair. And it's important to understand grey hair and dry hair, there is some sort of link. There's more research that needs to be done, but it is always a good bet to have healthy, moisturized hair. So some good sources of vitamin A. Some animal sources include liver, fish, eggs, dairy, these can help maintain healthy levels of vitamin A. But if you're vegetarian or vegan, you can always go for sweet potatoes, carrots. These have a lot of vitamin A, a lot of beta carotene, which gets converted into vitamin A. But they are also very, very healthy, and they have a lot of other nutrients as well. So I would say try to include some liver, maybe once a week, maybe, or once every 2 weeks, and then try to make sure you get all your sweet potatoes and carrots in every single day to try to make sure you're hitting that vitamin A content. And it's just on a side note, plant-based sources have beta carotene, which is converted into vitamin A, and animal sources have the direct form of vitamin A. So animal sources are more easily absorbed, but that doesn't mean that the plant sources are not useful either. Plant sources are also useful, and they also come with fiber and other important phytonutrients. So I would say, as I said, maybe include liver once every 2 weeks, and then try to get sweet potatoes and carrots every single day to make sure you're hitting your vitamin A goals. I hope this was helpful. I hope you got some idea of the importance of vitamin A for ensuring healthy hair. And I hope to see you soon, and wishing you all the best in your journey.